Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have broken this entire range on the upside. A very strong momentum on the markets. Markets have been consolidating in a very small range right now since last 2 weeks between 6600 and 6400. That's the 200 band range. I'll be expecting till the expiry at least. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a sell signal, so I think more consolidation here, and then the consolidation should break on the upside. Till that time, the momentum indicator will slide down to the zero line and then again give a buy signal on the upside. So a small consolidation expected, but the bias remains positive in the short term as well as in the medium term outlook. On the hourly charts, you can see this range diamond pattern forming here. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have also given a sell signal, so I'll be expecting more consolidation here. The entire rally which we saw should retrace at least 23%, which is around 64.30. So that's the cutoff level to reverse the trend. If we close above, if the Nifty closes above below 64.30, then the trend would reverse to negative only in the short term, not in the medium term outlook. Medium term outlook looks extremely good to me. Bank Nifty again small range here, broken this entire range on the upside. The momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal, but I'll be expecting more consolidation in this area and then a breakout of that consolidation on the upside. So the support in the very short term would be 11,900 and 11,650. Resistance would be around 12,400 and 12,650. We've chosen to go long on the momentum side on SSLT, that is Sesa Sterlite. An expanding ending diagonal pattern has been forming here, and I'll be expecting that pattern to break on the upside. The momentum indicator on the daily chart is just about to give a buy signal, so good setup here to go long. Stop loss should be maintained at 171 and target would be around 181 and 185. The second stock I've chosen to go long is Bharat Forge. Looks good. This flag pattern has broken the upside, forming high tops, high bottom. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts is on the buy side, so I'll be expecting a good rally on the upside for the stock. Stop loss should be maintained at 388 and target would be around 412 and 425. So overall friends, in the short term a small consolidation between 6600 and 6400 till the expiry. But the medium term outlook remains positive, so I'll be expecting this entire consolidation to break on the upside in the medium term outlook. But this expiry, I'm looking for a consolidation between 6600 and 6400. Thank you so much.